How to show or hide lock screen notifications for Xiaomi phones. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can manage your lock screen notification for your Xiaomi Redmi devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so hiding or showing your lock screen notification on Xiaomi phone is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up this settings application from a device, and from here scroll down to the notification and control center right here. Now once you're here inside this one, you'll get to see the lock screen. You just need to tap on this one, and here as you can see the format, the lock screen notification format. If I tap on this one, you'll get to see it's selected with the show notification and content. But if you want to hide all the notification on your lock screen, then all you have to do is just to select the don't show lock screen notification right from here. And also you can actually manually turn off the notification for apps. So if I get back from here, you'll get to see all the apps that are allowed as a lock screen notification on my device. So let's say I just want to turn off the notification for Gmail, for example. If I toggle up this one, and now the Gmail notification will not be appear on my Xiaomi lock screen. And this is how you can hide and show the lock screen notification on your Xiaomi Redmi phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.